Are you looking for the best mirrorless camera? In this video we will look at some of the best mirrorless camera on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Sony A7 III. The Sony A7 III is an advanced mirrorless camera that boasts a range of impressive features, making it a popular choice among both amateur and professional photographers. At its core, the camera is equipped with a 24.2 MP back-illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor, which offers a 1.8x readout speed. This sensor allows for exceptional image quality and low light performance, with a wide ISO range spanning from 50 to 204,800. One of the standout features of the A7 III is its impressive dynamic range, offering a 15-stop range for capturing both highlights and shadows in exquisite detail. Additionally, it supports 14-bit uncompressed RAW files, ensuring photographers have maximum flexibility in post-processing to achieve their desired results. In terms of speed, the A7 III can shoot at up to 10 frames per second, whether using the silent or mechanical shutter. This rapid shooting capability is further enhanced by the camera's advanced autofocus system, which includes 693 phase detection and 425 contrast of points covering 93% of the frame. This ensures that fast-moving subjects can be tracked and captured with precision. Number 2. Sony Alpha7R3. The Sony Alpha7R3 is a high-performance mirrorless camera renowned for its exceptional imaging capabilities and advanced autofocus technology. At its core, this camera features a 42.4 MP full-frame XMR ARC-MOS sensor coupled with the powerful Bienz X processor, resulting in stunning image quality and remarkable processing speed. One of the standout features of the Alpha7R3 is its cutting-edge autofocus system. It incorporates real-time off-tracking and real-time IR for both humans and animals, ensuring that subjects are consistently in sharp focus, making it an excellent choice for portrait and wildlife photographers. In terms of image quality, the camera offers a wide dynamic range and the ability to capture 14-bit uncompressed RAW files, providing photographers with extensive post-processing flexibility. Additionally, the ISO range spans from 50 to 102,400, enabling users to shoot in a variety of lighting conditions with low noise. Number 3. Panasonic LUMIX GH5S. The Panasonic LUMIX GH5S is a professional-grade camera designed for both photography and videography enthusiasts seeking top-notch performance. At the heart of this camera is a 10.2 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, which offers a unique advantage: a significantly higher photoactive surface per pixel. This feature results in an ultra-wide dynamic range, making it ideal for capturing stunning photos and videos with exceptional detail and clarity. Additionally, the camera's dual native ISO technology ensures ultra-sensitive video capture with impressively low noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the LUMIX GH5S is its rugged and durable design. Constructed from a magnesium alloy body, this camera can withstand heavy use in the field. Furthermore, it is freeze-proof down to -10 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for use in extreme weather conditions. The camera also boasts a splash and dust-proof construction with weather sealing on every joint, dial, and button, ensuring it can handle a variety of outdoor shooting environments. In the realm of video recording, the LUMIX GH5S shines. It supports unlimited in-camera recording of cinema 4K, C4K, with options for 60p/50p in 8-bit, 30p/25p/24p in 4:2:210-bit, and 4K at 60p/50p in 4:2:08-bit. Additionally, it can capture 1080p video at up to an impressive 240 fps. These capabilities make it a versatile tool for filmmakers and content creators, enabling them to achieve professional-grade video quality. Number 4. Sony A7 II ILCE7SM2. The Sony A7S2 ILCE7SM2 is a high-quality digital camera that is being offered as a pre-owned product on Amazon Renewed. This particular camera has undergone a thorough inspection, testing, and cleaning process conducted by Amazon qualified vendors to ensure its reliability and performance. The product is described as being in excellent condition, indicating that both the screen and the camera body exhibit no noticeable cosmetic damage when viewed from a distance of 12 inches or more. This suggests that the camera's overall physical appearance is well maintained. In terms of battery performance, the pre-owned Sony A7S2 ILCE7SM2 is guaranteed to have a battery with a capacity exceeding 80% of what a new equivalent battery would offer. This assurance ensures that the camera can still provide a satisfactory level of power for photography needs. Number 5. Nikon Z6. The Nikon Z6 is a cutting-edge mirrorless camera that boasts a large full-frame Z mount, offering revolutionary optical performance. At its core, this camera features a specially designed 24.5 MP backside illuminated image sensor, which is known for its ability to capture high-quality images with impressive clarity and detail. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z6 is its advanced autofocus system. Equipped with a 273-point on-sensor phase detector system, it delivers fast and precise focusing, making it suitable for a wide range of photographic situations, from fast action sports to detailed macro photography. In terms of speed, the Nikon Z6 can shoot at an impressive rate of up to 12 frames per second, allowing photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with ease. Additionally, it excels in the realm of video recording, offering 4K Ultra HD video capabilities, making it an excellent choice for videographers. Furthermore, it can produce stunning 6K time-lapse sequences and slow-motion footage at 1080p/120 fps, expanding its versatility.